Hi there guys, today just going to make a quick video here to resolve this issue that we had with one of the computers here installed in RAM. It's one of the Dell servers, so I'll just quickly show you what's the problem is. So if we go to this PC, right click, go to properties, and then check how much RAM have we got. So we got 16 gig of RAM, but it says that it's 4 gigabytes only usable. So we have installed 16 gigabytes of RAM, but we're using only 4 gigabytes. So this doesn't make sense. So it looks like the page file has kicked in or something. So we're just going to show you how to make all the RAM usable. So technically what we do is go to start menu and then type msconfig and then click enter. So a small window should pop out. It's here because of my other window. Okay, so on system configuration we go to boot and then we go to advanced options, and then as you can see, like the number of processors, we have only one processor, so we can't make any changes, but we can fix our memory, so maximum memory use. So if we click on this one, it will come up look like with 16 gigabytes of RAM. So we'll tell computer to use the maximum memory that is there. So I'll click OK to this one and then apply it and then close it. So if we go back now to this PC, right click on it and then go to properties. As you can see, it hasn't gone yet. It's still showing like it's only 4 usable. So let's go to system properties. System protections. And the system property will come up. So we need to go to advanced in here and then click settings and then go to advanced again. And as you can see here, page filing, so we need to change this. Click change, and then where it says automatically manage page file size for all drives, so we untick the automatic manage page file size and all drives, and then we tick the no page file because we don't want a page file, obviously we got enough RAM. So click OK to this. So I'll say changes will be made. So changes you have made will require to restart your computer before they can take effect. So obviously we click OK and then apply it, and then we'll restart the computer. We'll restart the computer and then we'll come back and have a look if everything has changed. So click restart. Hi guys, we just come back now after the computer restarted. So let's see if this sorted out itself. So if we go to start and then this PC and then properties, and as you can see, it has rectified itself. It's showing 24 gigabytes though, because we added another 8 gig in there. So and is fully used now. So I hope this help you with rectifying this problem, and if you have any more problems, just comment below. Any questions, any disagreements, I will try to get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.